Hello, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. We are and we are here to present our activity, two-wheel drive with integration of IoT. And we are group 2 and is Roberto the second in Montero.
Yan din ay Galianas. Mary Ateron. Lorencia Pascual. Daniel Manalo.
And Daphne Alcea.
And John Larry.
And our activity to robots are made of
Four heads po. Light po is 4 LED as signal light po. Next.
Arduino as a microcontroller.
We use 8-volt battery of lithium to supply our LM298 motor.
LN298 acts as a motor driver.
2 DC motor for forward and back.
And HC05 as Bluetooth module to function on all the components here.
And after presenting or knowing the components of our bar, we are here to simulate the functions of our car.
Hello guys, this is group 2 and today we're gonna talking about the two-wheel drive remote control car. So not just remote control but also the wiring, coding, assembling, and also the components of this project. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the watching of the rest of this video, and the explanation of all of this are here. Let's watch. This is the parts and components. We have Arduino Uno, DC motor, motor driver, Bluetooth module, wheel, battery case, jumper wires, LED lights. So these are the explanation.
This is the work of group 2. As you can see, this is the wiring diagram of two-wheel drive motor, two-wheel drive car. So ito po yung wiring diagram niya. So simulan natin dito sa may dalawang DC motor. Ang connection lang po niya is napaka-simple. Yung two wire niya is naka-connect dito sa may out 1 and out 2. Same dito sa may out 3, out 4. Ayun lang siya. Next, yung LED naman. So yung LED is naka 4 series connection siya, which is yung negative nila. Ang lahat ng negative ng ito, yan, negative niya, negative na to is naka-series dito sa may ground. Yun, naka-series siya sa ground. Then yung mga positive niya is naka-connect sa may digital pin ng Arduino, which is ito. Yan 2, 3, 4, 5. So dyan siya naka-connect. Then the battery, so ito yung battery. Ang positive niya is connected dito sa may 12 na output ay 12 volts ng driver. Then yung negative naman, itong negative ginamitan namin ng switch para may on off siya. Then yung isang linya yan connected dito sa may ground ng motor driver. Then itong 5 volts na output nito ng driver na to connected yan dito sa may 5 volts. Ayan. 5 volts ng Arduino connected dyan. Tapos tanggalin na natin. Then yung isa pang 5 volts nitong Arduino is connected dito sa may HC05 na Bluetooth module. Then ang negative niya is connected lang din sa negative. So ayan yung connection yan. Then yung TX nito at yung RX connected dito sa may dalawa lang yan, RX TX din ng Arduino. Pero tingnan natin ha. Pero itong TX, kumita TX naka-connect sa may FX. Dapat opposite yan, no? TX neto connected sa FX ng Arduino, then yung FX ng Bluetooth module connected sa may TX ng Arduino. So ganun dapat ang connection niyan. Sabay yung mga next naman is itong in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. Connected lang siya sa may digital pin ng Arduino, which is ito. Kung makikita nyo, 9, 10, 11, 12. So dyan lang nakatap yan. Tulad nito, in 1 is connected to digital pin 9, in 2 is connected to digital pin 10, and in 3 connected to the digital pin 11, and ganun sa last one is in 4 connected sa digital pin 12. So ayan po ang wiring diagram niya. Ayun lang po at maraming salamat.
So this is the assembling area, so which as you can see, they connect the two DC motors on the body of the car and also attach the car on the DC motor. And as you can see, she also attached the third car by support the car to stand fluently and property as well, and to make sure the car is supporting while it's driving and controlling by the end of this video. So she makes sure to screw all this, and also she sure that it cannot be removed on the body of the car. So after that, he also maintain the good quality or the betterness of this car so that it won't fall off or it won't remove as well, like as you see on video. So enjoy the rest of it and let's watch until the end of it. And lastly, as you can see on this video, we solder it on the battery switch so that it works and it can attach also. So moving on, in this area he put some tape to attach the Arduino on the battery body, on the body of the car, and also we make sure all the parts of the components are stabilized once it's moved and once the code is programmed on Arduino car, so that all the components are not removed or detached as well. So, and after that we connect the Bluetooth module on the Arduino and the motor driver, so that the connector of this device is good and better as well. So enjoy watching this. So in this area, he managed to sure and surely corrected all the components and parts are good and not fleck, nor it won't be loose once it's activate. He also connects the LED so that it don't wanna remove on that car, on the car, on the body of the car. I mean, and also I want to make sure all the components are good and better once the case is covered. So the code in this part will be explained by the end of this.
Good day everyone. This is our task 5 explanation of code. As you can see from my screen, the MA1 and MA2 is our motor 1, and this is our pin configuration. And for our motor 2 is MB1 for 11 and MB2 for 12. Two digital pins in our Arduino. And for our LED pins, LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, LED 4 is 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you can see in our void setup, our motor 1 and motor 2 is configured as output and to our LEDs also. If you want your motor to go forward, digital right 1, our motor 1, and motor 2 front wheel will turn high, and the other is just low and won't really be used. And for turning on the LEDs when moving forward, the digital right LED 1 will turn high, and digital LED 2 will turn high also. And if else you want backward, the digital right MA1 will turn low and MB1 will turn low, and the one will set high will be our MA2 and MB2. And for turning on the LED when moving backward, the LED 3 and LED 4 will turn high, when the other will turn low. And when you're turning left, the other 3 motor will turn low except for MB1, the motor 2 will turn high. And for turning on the LED 3 and LED 1 will turn high, and except for those will turn low. As if you want to go right, the motor 1 will turn high and the other will turn low. And for the turning LED, the LED 2 and LED 4 will turn high. And if you wanted to stop, everything from the motor will turn low, and the LEDs also will turn low, and everything will stop. And thank you, that's for our task 5 explanation.
Since the code was done and explain it briefly and in a detailed way, so as you can see, the car is moving once after the code is transferred to the Arduino and ready programmed. So he test drive a bit, and after the many codes and many correcting, these are the results. It finally moving, and also it's stable and also the controls are good and better, well, and also accurate in this video. So it's better be good. So it's time for the case. So in this part, I managed to make a case because I'm choosing a cardboard. The calendar's cardboard because it's convenient and also it's strong. So I'm doing it properly so that once it's attached on the car, it won't break and it won't destroy, like you see in this video. So this is the part where the case is complete.
Roll, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around. I'm never
After all the wires, codes, and making chasing, we finalize all the things, and as you can see in here, where two of us are managed to make it and do it done and make it done, and also don't bother the kids in the background. So what I'm trying to say is we finalize our project to make it look like this at the end of this video. So let's watch the little montage.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriend.
So this is the final outcome. As you can see, our car or our tool drive is jamming within all these two cars or the two-wheel drive cars. And well, it's pretty accurate, better, the controls are good, and no errors are detected, as you can see, and they make a battle button here. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and God bless everyone.
I want that body, baby, show me.
Nakikita niyo po, kapag pinorward po siya, bali ang ilaw po yung dalawang harapan na alit, forward po yun. Then kapag back forward naman po, back forward po yan, dalawang LED naman po ang ilaw sa likod niya. Then kapag nag-turning right ka po, yung dalawang LED sa right, front and left, ilaw po. Ayan. Then kapag nag-left ka naman po kabila na left, yan, may ilaw din po yung kabilang LED niya po para sa light. Yan na po.
As you can see, I can disconnect first, and I connect to my cell phone here in Bluetooth module. Here, as you can see, it is connected. So once I press this, the LED on the front is turning on. Once I press, and also once I press the backward, the two LED in the back is on. So while I press this left LED and the back of the LED is turning on,
or rather this the other side, this one, yep. And the other one once I press this. So as you can see, it functioned. The RoboCar function by through cell phone via Bluetooth device using HC05 Bluetooth module. So as you can see how it works and also how it can control by this device.